Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm bringing the recap of premiere episode from Love Scout. So let's start. The premiere episode of Love Scout introduces Kang Ji Yoon, a brilliant headhunter and CEO of a top headhunting firm, known for her sharp skills and ability to sway talent into making career leaps. Jin Yoon's latest victory is persuading a high-profile professionals to switch industries, a move that garners significant media attention. Despite her success, Ji Yoon's demanding nature leads to a revolving door of secretaries, each quitting after a few months. Her newest challenge centers around Mr. Yang, the chief smartphone developer at Hansu Electronics. Ji Yoon plans to recruit him, but Hansu Electronics is not willing to lose such a valuable asset. Instead, the company's executive assign Yu In-ho, an HR team manager, to retain Mr. Yang. This decision, clearly intended to push Enhu out of his role, backfires as Enhu rises to the occasion with determination. Enhu's strategy begins with interrupting Ji Yoon's meeting with Mr. Yang, successfully halting her efforts. He then orchestrates a team dinner to demonstrate how much Hansu values Mr. Yang. His persistence extends beyond the workplace as he supports Mr. Yang's son's soccer team, a gesture that untimely convinces Mr. Yang to remain with Hansu. As the HR team celebrates, viewer glimpse Enhu's personal sacrifice. He had once taken a year-long paternity leave during the peak of his career to take care of his daughter, who struggled with mental health challenges. This decision strained his relationship with a senior colleague, who missed out on a promotion and now seeks to undermine Enhu at every turn. Enhu finds solace in his close friend Jung Soo Hyun, who is a single mother and quietly in love with him. Meanwhile, Ji Yoon's world takes a hit. After firing an employee for falsifying credentials, her companies struggle to meet monthly targets. Matters worsens when Hansu Electronics suspects Mr. Yang of planning to join a Chinese firm, raising concerns about information leaks. And then Enhu is tasked to preventing this, but the pressure mounts as he warned that failure will result in his dismissal. Despite to save his positions, Enhu confronts Ji Yoon, accusing her of damaging Mr. Yang's career by steering him toward a risky move. Ji Yoon denies the allegations, but Enhu rushes off to the airport to intercept Mr. Yang. There, Mr. Yang reveals that Hansu sidelined him from significant projects, and his decision to move to China is personal, not corporate espionage related. Despite Enhu's effort, Hansu dismisses him from his role, and then simultaneously, Ji Yoon's relentless workload begins to take a toll. Her director, Seo Mi-ai, finds her collapsed at the office one night and rushes her to the hospital. Diagnosed with memory issue caused by overwork, Ji Yoon is advised to scale back her responsibilities. Mi-ai shares Ji Yoon's condition with her husband, who runs a bookstore, raising concerns about Ji Yoon's ability to sustain her demanding lifestyle. And then episode ends with a shocking twist. Ji Yoon arrives at work the next day to discover her new secretary is none other than Enhu, setting the stage for intriguing conflicts and alliances in the episodes to come. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe for the next episode and more recaps.